Welcome to Apprintable's tutorial on utilizing bleeds in Adobe Illustrator. The first step is to start a new document. I have chosen an A4 landscape document. For you, this may be different. Regardless of the size, you will always be shown this section below that has the subheading Bleeds. Here, you will be able to adjust your document's bleed. For us, we will only need the standard bleed area of 3 millimeters. Once you have created your document with the 3 millimeter bleed, you will see a red outline outside of your blank canvas. If you can't see it, you can use the shortcut Command plus semicolon or Control plus semicolon if you are on Windows. Now that you can see the red outline, it's time for you to get busy creating your masterpiece. To ensure your amazing work gets printed correctly, we recommend creating another guideline outline that we will refer to as a safe area or quiet zone. Make sure to keep all your important text, images, and barcodes inside this area, as not every cut of print is the same in mass production, so it can have an extra bit of room for error. We recommend filling up the whole canvas and beyond it, up until the red outline. This will ensure that there will be no white or messy edges once your artwork is printed and cut to size by our machines. Thanks for watching. We cannot wait to see what you have created.